make a quiet life, to keep this scared old world at bay. The dogs are howling on the street outside, so they close the curtains, hope they go away. And there's pressure from all sides coming down around our ears, stuck in this room without a door, scratched away at the walls for years. All we've got to show is the dust on the floor, and here it comes. Here it comes. The new dark age. I catch your eyes before they fall to the ground. We're running out of time, breath and steam. We're running down. They're burning witches up on Punishment Hill. Dank proof in the power of authority to exact its will. In the darkest times, darkest fears are heard from the safest places come the bravest words. And there's pressure from all sides coming down around our ears, stuck in this room without a door, scratched away at the walls for years. All we've got to show is the dust on the floor, and we've broken our fingers, broken our faith, broken our hearts so many times they can't be broken anymore.